not being mean, are you?
Pushing each other.
No!
Oh, selfish. This is the best drinking fountain in the park, isn't it?